Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of developing with the Theta SC2. Importantly, in the next video tutorial, you're going to take a big step in your development and use RICOH's API to take a picture with the camera. I'll just show you what you'll be able to do by the end of this lesson. The first thing that we need to do is to connect to the camera. So I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi settings and select the camera here and go ahead and connect. Now it's going to say that it's been connecting for a while, but you'll notice that the icon on the Theta SC2 has gone to solid, meaning that I am connected to it, even if it's not giving me internet access. So let's try to run the command that you'll be coding in this lesson. Dart, take picture. So I'm going to run this command and I'll send. So you can see that the Theta SC2 has taken a picture and is now processing it. So now all that's left is to go in and see what it looks like. So here you can see the picture that we just took in all of its 360-degree glory. So the link to the tutorial video, as always, will be in the description. So just go ahead and click that, register your email, and then click the video tutorial to get started. See you in the next video.